children, in the last video we studied about the structure of the bird, the different kinds of feathers they have, and also how the birds fly. In today's video we are going to discuss about the beaks of bird. As you all know that different kind of birds have different kinds of beak. Birds don't have teeth present. Instead of teeth, they have beaks present. Beaks are very helpful in catching hold of the food and also protecting themselves. Different kinds of birds have different kinds of beaks because they are adapted to different eating habits. They eat different kinds of food. Beaks also help the bird in preening the feathers. What do you mean by preening? They generally spread the wax beneath the feathers, and this process is called preening. Different kinds of birds have different types of beaks. Some have long beaks, some have strong, some pointed, some broad. So according to the different eating habits, they have different kinds of beaks. So let's learn about the different kinds of beaks present in bird. First one is short, sharp and pointed beak. This type of beaks are present in sparrow, pigeon, peacock, etc. These beaks are very short, sharp and pointed so as to cut the grains and crush it and eat them. So you can see the picture of the beak over here. This is the short, sharp and pointed beaks. Now we will come to the second one is the curved beak. Curved beak. Curved and sharp beaks are seen in parrot. Generally parrots have. They have curved beak so that to crack the nuts and eat, they generally eat the very hard fruit. So in order to cut the fruit and nuts, they have very hard and curved beak. Sharp and hooked beak. These type of beaks are found in eagle, vultures. These type of beaks are found in eagles and vulture because they eat the flesh of other small animals like rabbits, snakes and other small animals, rats. So these birds are also called the bird of prey because they eat the flesh of other small animals. Now the chiseling beak. Chiseling beak. This type of beak is found in woodpecker. The beak is very strong so that they can chisel. The beaks are like chisel. They can cut through the bark of the wood. You might have seen the woodpecker tapping the wood of the bark of the wood, like tuck tuck tuck. They are tapping the bark of the wood so as to make hole in them. While making hole, they take the insect and eat them, and also they make the hole so as to live inside them and to lay eggs. So these type of beaks are found in woodpecker so as to this type of chiseling beaks are found in woodpecker so that they can tap the wood and they can search for food, that is the small insect. Fifth type of beak is spear shaped beak. Spear shaped beak. This type of beak is found in kingfisher. Kingfisher, they stay near the water. The kingfisher eyes are very sharp, and when they see the prey inside the water, they go near the prey and they dive inside and take the fish with the help of the long beaks, that is the spear shaped beak, that is like a spear, and they fly away. Now the sixth type of beak is probing beak. Probing beak. These type of beaks, these beaks are generally sharp and pointed and long beaks. These types of beaks are found in hummingbird, sunbird. The hummingbird and sunbird suck nectar from the flower. Example are hummingbird and sunbird. Sunbird, they suck nectar from the flower, so the beak is very long so as to go inside the flower and suck nectar. The flower from which they suck nectar are usually tube shaped, so the beaks are generally long to suck nectar from inside the flower. Also, it is found in hoopoe. Hoopoe is a small bird. Hoopoe is a small bird that also has a long beak so as to take out insect from the holes of the ground. They don't eat nectar, but instead of nectar they eat insect, and they search from insect from inside the holes of the ground. So they have this type of beaks. Now the seventh type is shifting beak. Shifting beak is found generally in water birds like duck. They have a broad beak. You can see the broad beak of the duck. You might have seen the broad beak. You can see over here the broad beaks of the duck, and they have two holes on the top of the beak. They generally take in mud and water, and along with the mud and water, some insects and worms also go inside. But when it goes inside, they take the insect and the worms, and the mud and the water will come out through these holes. So these holes are very important. It is called shifting because it shifts the water and mud from the insect and worms what they feed on. So this type of beaks are called shifting beaks. Beak is spoon-shaped beak. Spoon-shaped beak. This type of beak is found in a bird called spoonbill. The bird beak is just like a spoon. These are wading birds. They live near water and they feed on in tadpole and small creatures that live inside the water. So while wading, they move their beak back and forth. They get a sign of any tadpole or any small animals are there inside water. They pick the insect or tadpole from the water and thus catch hold of the prey. Now ninth one is the sticky beak. Sticky beak are generally small, short and sticky beak. They are sticky from inside. This type of beak are generally found in swallow. Swallow is a small bird. The birds generally fly with the mouth open, so that when they open the mouth and fly, small insects stick inside the mouth, and thus they can have their food. So today we studied about different kinds of beak of different birds which are adapted to eat different kinds of food.